Welcome back. I did a project a couple of months ago and I never really documented it. I thought I'd kind of want to show you what I did with a little arc welding scene that I did with my machine shop. It required Arduino Nano, or you can use a regular Arduino, an LED. I used a nano size just because I had one around, a white one, a load resistor somewhere between, I'd say, 1K and between 1 and 10K, all depends on how bright you want it. And I'll show you kind of how I put that together and the sketch that's written for the Arduino. So let's go to the machine shop and I'll show you what's going on. Here's Jim's repair shop with the arc welding going on, and that is the Arduino underneath the layout, load resistor, and I just used a nano just because I had it. You can use any size LED. Pure white will help out, and that's just pushed up through a straw. Drilled a 1/4-inch hole down through the layout, put a straw in there, and then push the LED up through. The connections to your Arduino will be your resistor will connect to D3. The other side of that resistor will go to your anode, the cathode side of the LED over to ground. Other than that, it's a simple of your input voltage anywhere from 7 to 12 volts, and hook that up to your voltage in and ground. And that was the arc welding project that I put together. So hopefully you found some hints. The sketch I'll put down in the comment area. Feel free to use those. And I thank you very much for watching. You have a great day.